Hello guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment video. Fortnite developer supports Animoca subsidiary blockchain racing game. The indie game subsidiary has just received support from Epic Games for its upcoming blockchain-powered P2E racing game Tokyo Drift 2. Australian indie game developer Grease Monkey Game, a subsidiary of Animoca Brands, has received financial support from video game giant Epic Games to develop a new blockchain-based motorsport game Tokyo Drift 2. Receiving an epic mega grant from the Fortnite developers, the funding will be used to develop the motorsport title, which is based on drifting. The Unreal Engine is a 3D computer graphics game engine developed by Epic Games, which has been used in many industries after it was first showcased in 1998 game Unreal. According to an August 18 announcement from Animoca Brands, the Epic Mega Grant, which ranged from $5,000 to as much as $500,000, will be used to develop a realistic gaming experience that is on par with other AAA games that is also utilize the Unreal Engine. Considering that Grease Monkey Game is developing a play-to-earn or P2E game, the Epic Games grant represents a notable show of support from the traditional gaming sector, something which has often been at odds with blockchain gaming. Tokyo Drift 2 is an upcoming drifting motorsport game with a turning garage available to players from Q3 2022 and a full release date set for 2024. The game will utilize non-fungible token NFT parts, car decals and items that player can use to build up their car and profile. Player will also be able to create their own paint job and cartoon NFTs, which can then be shared and sold within the Tokyo Drift 2 marketplace. Grease Monkey Game is a traditional game developer that has been publishing original IP games since 2014, which have over 45 million global downloads. They were acquired by Animoca Brands in February 2022, and Animoca will support them as they transition to blockchain games. Unlike traditional games, where players generally buy in-game items with real money but are then prevented from pulling that money back out, incorporating blockchain-friable NFTs into games is seen as a way to provide digital ownership over in-game content. As such, it enables players to sell items when they are done playing the game or want to exchange their item for new ones. This type of model is often referred to as P2E or pay to earn or pay to win, with players being rewarded with economic value for participating within the ecosystem. NFT games have edge over money in, no money out games, Polygon Your Feet goal. Many critics of P2E games such as Wrd And Rther point out that this game requires wallets and cryptocurrency purchased before player can start playing and are not as fun as traditional game. Other critics, such as Minecraft developers Mojang Studio, have pointed to the implementation of NFTs within game as tool for speculative pricing, which encourage profit sharing over game playability. Maybe just that from me. Thank you. Bye.